Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
Good morning. We are giving up with the bike today because we wanted to see all the lakes, and getting in and out of that motorcycle gear in the heat, especially when the boots start losing their shape, it's not very nice. So all four in the 4x4 today, and we're hitting around all the lakes. This is Eli Creek. Got my, what's this called?
Rubber ring.
Rubber ring. Have a look at that. Put a camera on that. We're going to float down the creek for a couple of hours.
It's not that long.
How long is it?
Like 5 minutes.
Oh. Right, so we're going to float down the creek for 5 minutes, and then we're going to go find another creek to float down.
There's only one creek.
So we're going to float down the creek for 5 minutes, and that'll be the day.
Pretty much.
Beautiful walk there.
Oh, makes me cold as well. Huh?
Beautiful. Oh.
Fraser. Please tell me you got that.
Yes, I did. Got a plunge.
Yeah, just gotta go. It's deep.
Hold that.
What was that sound?
Go on then.
Get your feet off the floor. There you go, mate. Loads of space.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
We're slowing down.
You want to move further up?
Legs off?
No. Take us with you. No. Just let me do it on my own. Go on without me. Keep it pumping up enough. Mate, you're a rapid swimmer. Michael Phelps, mate. You're so fast.
Come on, no cool.
On the film race.
Right.
Oh no.
I come up a bit.
Oh no, yeah. I reckon we got this now.
Yeah.
Bit of teething problems, but
I mean, why would we get four?
Right, that's a sweet spot. Are you trying to film us, right? I'm pretty sure it's just on the tree. Oh, it's just sat in there, mate. Where we at? Champagne Pools.
I feel like it is quite a long walk.
You want to get here as the tide's coming in. From the waves hit the rocks, you get the foam, the champagne per se, over the rocks.
So we just come from Eli Creek. Honestly, a bit underwhelming. It was pretty nice, but not what I expected. It's just a little lake you float down. But now we're at Champagne Pools, which I'm hoping is a little bit better. It looks awesome, actually, so I'm quite excited for it. Get the drone up, get some cool shots. Yeah, I'm excited. Good day.
That's a beefy boy. Flipping it. There's loads under there.
Building, boys.
Here we go, boys.
Fucking hell. Yeah,
big boys.
This is it.
Bang. Yeah. No. That's oh, look at that, mate. It's been in the wars.
You don't think I have any pictures? Oh, he has pictures there, right? Oh my god, he's gonna get me. That was Champagne Pools. That is well worth.
Pools.
Yeah, Pools.
You said Pools.
Champagne Pools. That was well worth the visit. What's the plan now?
I want to go do Ngala Rocks.
Ngala Rocks.
I want to go Sandy
Isn't
Cape.
that the really bad 4x4 bit?
Yeah, but if I go Sandy Cape, that's the very tip of Fraser. I'm going to be like, been to the tip.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that's
What's the distance from here to there?
Well, we're here. And we got to go up to here.
Is that not the really like hard 4x4 bit?
It's not, I'm not worried about hard. I think the tide's coming in, which is the only problem.
What's the plan tomorrow?
Do the Lakes Road.
I don't know whether we can wake up real early and do all of
Nah. Fuel as well. We've already got under half a tank. So here, while we're here, we can come up, or come down, then come up to Dilly Village. Dilly Village, do this southern road. Past some of the lakes.
Didn't we see all the lakes yesterday?
That.
What lakes did we see?
We saw Lake Boomerang.
Which wasn't really a lake.
Which was Well, it wasn't late, you just couldn't see it.
Yeah.
Anyway. Alright. Yeah. Just imagine the camera's not on. You're good, mate.
I'm not going to drive.
Nah. You can't drive. Be real, be real. Yeah, easy. Tell you what, you used to stall all the time.
We're off-roading now, boys.
We're rolling. Gas up the hill. Gee! Not pulling up though, you're driving. Oh, left. Brake. Clutch. You didn't clutch.
Okay, stop. Why are you cutting all shit? But you're saying, you know, when I change gears and then I...
Stop it. Oh, he's going.
And I go back on the gas, I can just come off the clutch fully, right? I don't have to do what I do when I restart.
Nah, you have to find the biting point.
Yeah, you just come off the clutch.
Yeah. You said thank you, you know, said thank you.
Ah, yeah, that's a nice little clip. I see that thing.
A little stronger now.